Here we have the Compact 45, and we have our new inline filter box. Look how streamlined that is. We've got the hard wall 2 3/8 that went in there. Beautifully mounted. So easy to maintain and clean. And this thing will actually hold a plate when you run it. And you've seen other previous video that a big, heavy half-inch plate, about a foot long, stayed right on there and didn't even move. This vacuum is unbelievable. As you can see, everything's well organized, well put together. This gentleman was undecided as to where he wants to put his pump station for his 100-gallon freshwater tank. But in the main thing is that we got the macerator pump out all nicely hooked up. And we're going to dress these wires up, make them look neater. But as you can see, it comes right out the bottom. We got our ProChem switch, float switch. We pretty much short piped this, so you can see you can get maximum recovery, maximum flow. We're using a stainless 45 to make the exact pitch that we needed. Again, these are bidirectional waste tanks. Before, it used to be where we'd had to go up and over the machine. So this is not only for a left receiving, but a right receiving as well for our SE series. It's actually on the other side. So we make these tanks bidirectional to give you more versatility. If you want a 59 blower, you're using 59 blower, we can make these things 4-inch or 56 for a 3.5. We'll do whatever you need for your tank, your waste tank. And all this install came out really good. And it's side mounted. A lot of times we can have it where we don't need to put support brackets at the bottom, but in this case we had to bring it out a little bit. So I can custom build the brackets for you in case you're in a situation where it's a little too long on your truck. In other cases, we've had the Compact Series fit in there perfectly right on the flooring without having it come out. So every van is a little different constructed, has different space requirements, different wheelbase, but in this case, this really came out nice, and those brackets really turned out to be out really good. So as you can see, this is what we do at Blue Baron Factory. Look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. Call us at 727-505-2989. We're an 18-year builder. I've been 44 years in the industry. Thank you.